Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert numbering list in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert numbering list. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box, then draw a text box to create a numbered list. Then write anything to this text box. Now I am write some text. Then select the all text, click and drag on our mouse. Now I am increase the font size. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the numbering. Then we click the drop down menu. We can see here many variant numbering list. You can add any numbering. You can add the Roman, ABCD or the 1 2 3 etc. Now I am select this numbering list. Now we can see we insert a numbering list in PowerPoint presentation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.